Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to make this lovely, beautiful, delicious dish called plantain frittata. Yes, plantain frittata. It is a recipe that consists of both eggs, sausages, and most especially plantain. In Nigeria here, we all love plantain, so this will be a lovely dish to try and recreate. And once you recreate, I would love to hear from you. So first things first, we'll be slicing our plantain. Yes, the star of the show. We're going to slice it thinly, not so thin, but thinly and round shaped. That is to create that effect that you saw from the beginning. Now we'll be pouring some groundnut oil or vegetable oil into a heated pan. Then we're going to use it to fry those our plantains that we sliced earlier. Then we're going to wait till it turns golden brown. Here I'm using a small pan, so I'm just trying to arrange all the plantains around so they can all fry at the same time. So now we're just slicing our sausages. Here we're also going to slice it roundly and thinly because we want to give it that effect, just like I said earlier. If you notice, we use just 2 sausages. Well, this depends on what you like, and we don't like sausages as much, but I think it's an essential part of that plantain frittata. So we're just using just 2 sausages. Now we'll be adding 10 eggs. I'm actually doing a small base, but mostly egg is also an essential part. It adds volume. I think this is the main part of this dish: plantains and eggs with sausages. Those are the 3 essential recipe or ingredients for this recipe. So we're going to be breaking 10 eggs, which we later added 5 eggs because my brothers said they wanted more, so we added 5 eggs extra to it. That's a total of 15 eggs. So we're just trying to stir it and mix it all together. Now we're slicing the vegetables. We sliced the other one. I didn't know that the video, it wasn't even recording. My sister forgot to on the camera when I was slicing those vegetables. So here we're just slicing the onions. It depends on the amount. This onions is it's optional. You can choose not to add the onions. You can also choose to add it. We like onions, but we didn't add much, so it wouldn't really show. So here I'm just trying to cut them smallly and thinly as well, just like I sliced the vegetables. The vegetables I added were carrots, green peas, tomatoes, fresh pepper, and then I think a bit of spring onions as well as normal onions. It depends. Now I'm just adding seasoning cubes here. This is to give it that deliciousness, just to make it spice things up. Then salt to taste. These are also very essential for this dish to give it that taste. And I'm also adding our extra seasoning. It's a Nigerian brand though. That's Benny spice. Now we're adding the fresh pepper. We don't really like pepper, so we're adding little because this is supposed to be a sweet and savory dish. So we're going to adding the dry peppers now. We're just going to mix this up properly to incorporate those seasonings that we added and the spices, everything. I'm going to mix thoroughly till it's well mixed and all this let's say it's becoming foamy, I guess. So we're going to mix it properly and thoroughly. You can support this channel by giving us a thumbs up, subscribing, and turning on all our notification bells. Just to add some extra flavors, we decided to add grounded crayfish. Not too much though, just little, just to give it that, Nigerian flavor. Drizzle some oil into your pan and make sure it's rounding, saying all around the pans. Then we're going to pour in our mixture into the pan, and then on low heat, please. We're going to use it on a low heat, a very, very low heat. So this, it can just be like you're baking it, not frying it, you're just baking it. So after this, we're going to add the plantains, the fried plantains the plantains we fried earlier. you know, this is why it is called plantain frittata. I'm going to use the plantain to decorate all round. Like I said earlier, let this be on low heat, like very, very low heat. So you have to put the plantain all round. Some might not show, but make sure that it shows till it comes up. Here we are using a very round pan, so that's why it's wide like this. So we're going to continue putting that golden brown color plantain, fried plantain, yes. Going to round it, and we'll cover the pot, leave it like that for 30 minutes, and we're done. Can you see that deliciousness? Like, can you see how beautiful it looks? We're going to be using our roller, our pizza cutter to like cut it out. We're going to try it out. I'm going to give it to my siblings to try it out and give me a feedback. Can you see how fluffy it is? Can you see how well cooked and marinated it looks? This is because we left it on a low heat. Like I said, a very low heat. So it was allowed to cook properly. I gave it to my siblings to have a taste of it, and gosh, it was amazing. Like, we enjoyed every bit of it. It was yummy, it was sweet, and it was savory at the same time. This is a very, very nice and delicious dish. I hope you try it out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.